In this video, I would like to explain about an important theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is also called as Baudayan theorem. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Pythagoras theorem. It is also called as Baudayan's theorem. The statement is, in a right-angled triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, in a right-angled triangle is given condition. So, take a triangle, right-angled triangle, A, B, C, and take angle B as 90 degrees. So the given condition is, given triangle is a right angle triangle. So given condition is in a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle and angle B is 90 degrees. RTP required to prove. What do we have to prove? The square of hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse of this triangle? AC. So the square of hypotenuse means AC whole square equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. The other remaining two sides are AB and BC. We have to square and we have to add it. So AB square plus BC square. So we have to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. To prove this theorem, we need some construction, that is, draw a perpendicular line BD to AC. Draw a perpendicular line BD to AC. So draw BD is perpendicular to AC. Next, proof. After perpendicular line is drawn, the triangle divided into three triangles. Main triangle ABC and triangle ABD and triangle BDC. So first you compare main triangle ABC and take this triangle. So from triangle ABC and see, draw a rough diagrams of both triangles ABC and ABD. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, B is 90 degrees. In this triangle, D is 90 degrees. So keep D. And triangle ABC and triangle ABD, angle A is common. So keep A here. And remaining vertex is B. So write in order first from triangle ABC and triangle ADB. The order is important. So we have to write in order, compare rough diagrams of ABC and ADB. Now in this both triangles, angle A is common. So angle A is equals to angle A common. In these two triangles, angle B is equals to angle D, each 90 degrees. By angle similarity, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity, by angle similarity. If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Take two sides, corresponding sides AB. The corresponding side of AB in this triangle is AD. AB by AD is equals to, take AC, and AC corresponding side is AB, AC by AB, and the corresponding side BC is DB, so BC by DB. CP, ST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So to get AB whole square, take these two conditions. AB by AD is equals to AC by AB. Take AB by AD is equals to AC by AB. Use cross multiplication. AB into AB, AB whole square equals to AC into AD, AC into AD. Take as equation 1. And again compare two triangles, main triangle, triangle ABC, and this triangle, triangle BDC. From triangle ABC and triangle, to check order, draw the rough diagrams. ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle BDC, angle B is 90 degrees and D 90 degrees. So keep 90 degrees here, D. And this triangle ABC and triangle DBC, angle C is common. So at the C place, take C here. And remaining vertex in this triangle is B. So compare the angles. Triangle ABC, the corresponding parts are in this triangle, triangle BDC, comparing with the corresponding parts. So we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Go compare the angles. In these triangles, both triangles, angle B is equals to angle D. Angle B is equals to angle D, each 90 degrees. And angle C is common. Angle C is equals to angle C, common. Therefore, by angle similarity, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Reason is AA similarity. AA similarity. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Take the corresponding sides. AB corresponding side is BD. So AB by BD equals to BC corresponding side is DC. BC by DC. And AC corresponding side is BC. AC corresponding side is BC. To get BC square, compare these two ratios. Compare these two ratios. By using cross multiplication, BC into BC, BC square is equals to AC into DC. AC into DC. Take equation 2. Take as equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2 on both sides, we will get AB square plus BC square, left hand side. Now add right hand sides, AC into AD plus AC into DC. In this both terms, AC is common, so common AC, then AD plus DC will be remain. Common AC, then AD plus DC. AC into AD plus DC. AD plus DC. The sum of AD plus DC is equals to AC. So AC into AC, that is AC whole square. So write in order, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC whole square. Therefore, AC whole square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So this is the required proof, hence proved.